Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Honeywell Home RTH7600D. This is a programmable thermostat with 7-day scheduling. It also has auto heat and cool changeover, which is nice. And as you can see, it's a very nice large LCD backlit display. And in this video, I want to cover the manual override and the temporary override of the temperature set point. This is a very common thing that people want to know. They don't want to program it, they just want a quick fix, okay? They want to override the unit and just get it up and going, whether it's for heating or cooling. Now, I have other videos going over setup and install in the settings menu as well as 7-day programming. So if you're interested in those, please check those out. I'll link them in the upper right. But let's get on with the manual override of this unit. Now, really quick, I want to cover what these 5 buttons do. We have the up and down arrow here, and then we have the system mode, okay, for heating, cooling, or off, or auto changeover. Then the scheduling button here in the center, and then also the clock button, okay. We really don't need that for manual override because we're just going to get it up and going, and we want it to operate like a manual thermostat. Now, in order to do that, it's as simple as using the up and down arrows, okay, and that's going to start changing this here, which is your temperature set point. Your desired set point, we're going to say we want it to be 78 degrees, okay? And then we can just leave it there and it's going to be temporary hold. Now this is going to temporarily hold 78 degrees of a set point because we're in the heating mode, okay? We have fan and auto, so it's automatically going to turn on with the heating system. And here we have the room temperature. The room temperature is 69 degrees. Okay, and this will take some time to come up to temperature. Okay, this is not going to be an instant thing. As soon as you change this, the thermostat's not going to instantly make the room, 78 degrees. It might take up to 10 hours, 12 hours, depending on the size of your home and the efficiency of the system. Okay, and other factors. But anyways, that is a temporary override. All we did was use the up and down arrow and then let it sit. Okay, just don't touch anything else after that, after letting it change. It's flashing, and then it goes solid. And then to get out of this, okay, it's very simple. As you can see here, the schedule button turned into a use schedule button, which is kind of like the old run button on the Honeywell thermostats. So if you want to run the normal schedule, all you have to do is hit this button here in the center, the touch screen button, and it goes right back to the normal scheduled set point, okay? It is not going to temporarily hold anymore. As you can see, the temporary function got removed from the top here. And now it's basically running its normal 7-day program schedule. So that there is the first way of temporary override the unit. Now, the more permanent manual override for permanent hold is as simple as just doing like we did. So we want to go to 78. Okay. And then we're going to hit this button that says hold here. Okay, so as soon as we did that, we see a permanent hold show up here, like above the third button, the clock button. It says permanent hold. Now this here will keep the thermostat at a set point of 78 degrees for the heating mode indefinitely. So until you come back here and you either change it using the up and down arrow, or you come here and do basically the run button, which is the use schedule button. So we're going to hit use schedule, okay? And as you can see, that disappeared. The permanent hold disappeared, and now we're back into the normal programmed schedule of the thermostat. It is highly recommended that you program the schedule for 7 days on the thermostat before you start using it in your home and, having it run your heating and cooling system. Because in the background, you want it to really be programmed. Okay, this is a programmable thermostat, but I understand people want to manually override it for some reason, whether it's just a Airbnb or some other kind of situation where you just want a temporary relief for the heating or cooling system. So that there is 2 different ways of manual override or a temporary override of the thermostat. Now, I have other videos covering setup and install in the settings menu, as well as the actual 7-day programming of the unit and going through the different steps to do so. I also have factory reset and lock and unlock. So if you want to check those videos out, please go ahead and do so. I will link them up above in the cards on the top right. But that was 2 ways of manually overriding this thermostat. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.